Hello students, let us solve the questions of exercise 6.3. The first question, second and third. The diagram figure of these questions are drawn on the board. So let us solve the first at question number 1. In question number 1, as per the figure, we have to find out the value of angle PRQ. Just see where is PRQ. This is PRQ. It means this angle is required to find out. So it's simple to find it. Just see the solution. If we can, we have to find out PRQ. So if we can find this angle and this angle, then by angle sum property we can get this PRQ. So let us find at first this one and this one. Okay, so angle PQT, this angle and PQR equal to 180 because they are making linear pair. This angle and this angle is making linear pair. Okay, from here we can get the length value of PQR, and this will be 180 minus angle PQT. Now put the value, angle PQR equal to 180 minus 110. So this is PQR equal to 70. In the same way we can get this angle QPR. Now angle QPR plus angle QPR, this one, and SPR, your RPS equal to 180 linear pair. Okay, the QPR, this one, angle QPR equal to 180 minus angle RPS. Okay, so put the value QPR equal to 180 minus QPR, 180 minus 135. So this is 45. We get the value of QPR is 45. Now by the angle sum property, angle P in triangle PQR, angle P plus Q plus R equal to 180. Angle sum property. Okay, the value of P means this angle. This is 45. And Q means this one. This is 70 degree. So we can get R. The sum of these angles will be 115. So angle R equal to 180 minus 115, and this is 65 degree. It means angle PRQ. PRQ equal to 65. So in this way we get the value of angle PRQ. Now for the second one, for this, let us solve this question. In this question, just see, we have to find out this angle YOZ and OZY, this. Just look here in the second question. At first we are going to find out this one, this angle Z. So in triangle XYZ, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equal to 180. This is by angle sum property. we have the value of x is 62, the value of y is 54, and z is not known to us. So this is 116. So z equal to 180 minus 116. So z equal to 64 degree. Okay, z is 64. This total full angle is 64. But we need to find OZY. OZ is bisector, so it will be the half. Since OZ is, it is given in the question, bisector of angle Z. Therefore, angle OZY equal to 64 by 2, that is 32 degree. Now for this one, OZ is bisector. Similarly, OY is also a bisector. OY is also bisector of angle Y. Therefore, angle OYZ equal to 54 by 2, that is 27. Now we are coming into this triangle. This is a smaller triangle. Just look here. In triangle OYZ, by angle sum property, we can write angle OYZ plus angle YOZ plus angle OZY equal to 180. Angle sum property. Okay, so we have the value of OYZ. This is 27 degree. YOZ is not known to us. OZY is 32 degree. Let us calculate this. 27 plus 32, 7 and 2 9, 3 and 2 5. Angle YOZ equal to 180 minus 59, and this is 121. So in this way we get the answer of the both questions in question number 2. Now let us see question number 3. It's simple to solve the question number 3. Look here in the figure, we have to find out DCE, this angle. Okay, you know that AB is parallel to DE. AB is parallel to DE given question mein. So if AB is parallel to DE, therefore angle BAC, this angle BAC or BAE, angle BAE equal angle BAE equal, this one is equal to this one, DEA or AED. This is because alternate angle. Okay, so we get the value of angle AED. We have the AED equal to 35. Angle AED and CED are same angle. Okay, so just come in the triangle. In triangle CED, we have angle CED plus angle DCE plus angle CED equal to 180 by the angle sum property. CED is repeating here. It is not CED. We have written angle E was angle C, yes, angle D, angle CDE. Okay, this is E, this is C, this is D. CED is 35 degree. DCE is not known, and CDE is 53. equal to 180. Now calculate this. 35 and 53. 88. So angle DCE equal to 180 minus 88. This is 92. Okay, the next question, question number 4. The next question, question number 4. Let us solve this. You see that the figure of this question is also given, but I hope this question can be solved by you, because this is a simple question. And now we should take question number 5 and 6. Just see, take question number 5. In this question, figure is given. So draw the figure at first. This is P, this is S, Y, this one is X, this is 28 degree, here it is 65, this is T, this is R, this one is Q. Okay, in the question it is given that find the value of X and Y. Look here, this one is X, this one is Y, so we have to find the values. Also look here, angle P is given the sign of right angle, so it is a right angle at P. So get the solution. At first we will take this one, this line PQ and PQ parallel SR. Let us start from here. This is PQ parallel SR. This line is parallel to this, therefore alternate angles should be equal. So X plus 28 will be equal to 65. Therefore X plus 28 equals 65. This is because alternate angle. Okay, to get the value of X here, 65 minus 28. 37 degree. This is the first answer, X. Now we have to find out Y. Look, how can we find Y? To get Y, we will choose the triangle PQS. In this triangle, we will know that the value of X is, we got the value of X. We know the value of P, so by angle sum property we can get the angle Y. So in triangle PQS, angle P plus angle Q plus angle S equal to 180. Angle sum property. Okay, after this just put the value. Angle P equal to 90 degree. About Q, the value of Q is X. So at the place of X or Q in this triangle, don't go for Q, they means that this angle and this angle. We are taking only the triangle PQR. So X is there. So that is 37 and Y. So the Y equal to 180. Now 90 plus 27, 127. Y equal to 180 minus 127. So the value of Y, this is 53 degree. Okay, so in this way you can solve this question. Now the question number 6. Look, the question number 6, draw the figure at first. So this is the question number 6. It is given that in the question a bisector of angle PQR and PRS. So bisector of this angle, so QT is the bisector and also PR is the bisector. So QT is the bisector of angle PQR and TR is the bisector of angle PRS. Okay. So let us solve. We have to prove angle QTR equal to 1 by 2 angle QPR. So just see here. Before doing this question, we must have a little bit knowledge about the exterior angle. Exterior angle is that angle whose sum is who is equal to the sum of interior angles. It means that if this is a triangle and this line, this side is extended, so the angle formed by this is the exterior and this angle are the interior of this. So the sum of these two angles will be equal to this one. Property is there. So let us do this question. We will write like this in triangle PQR. We are taking PQR. Okay. In PQR, angle this one and this one. Angle QPR plus QPR means this one, PQR. These are the interior of angle PRS. Sum of interior angles equal to exterior angle. Okay. After this, we are just going to divide the equation by 2. Dividing both sides, it will make the solution easier. Both sides by 2. In doing so, we can write QPR by 2 plus PQR by 2 equal to PRS by 2. QPR by 2. QPR. We can't make half of this angle because no bisector is given. So we will write this angle as usual what we have written here. PQR by 2. PQR. So two angles are here. If we will make them half, this and this, but we will take in this one, angle TQR, and half of PRS is, we can take this one or this one, but we will take the TRS. This is our equation number 1. Now choose the another triangle. In triangle TQR, this one, TQR, exterior of TQR is this one. So just write angle TQR plus angle QTR equal to angle TRS. Okay, same property is there, sum of interior angle. TQR and TQTR both are the interior angle of TRS. From equation 1 and 2, you can observe that this right hand side of both equations are same, equal. So if the RHS is equal, then we can write the LHS equal. So just write here from equation 1 and 2, angle QPR by 2 plus angle TQR equal angle TQR plus angle QTR. This TQR and TQR are cancelled. Now we are having QPR by 2 equal angle QTR. And this is the desired result. Just see QPR by 2 equal QTR. And in this way, this question has been proved. Okay, thank you. This is all for today.